Hello! Welcome back to Easy English. Today, we will practice some common sentence patterns. Our first phrase is, I'm used to. This phrase indicates something familiar or habitual. Examples. I'm used to waking up early. I'm used to eating spicy food. I'm used to the long commute to work, even though it can be tiring. I'm used to working from home, which allows me more flexibility. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, I used to. This phrase is used to talk about something that you did regularly in the past, but don't do anymore. Examples. I used to play soccer when I was younger. I used to live in the city. I used to be afraid of public speaking, but now I'm more confident. I used to think that learning a new language was difficult, but now I realize it's quite enjoyable. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, I'm trying to. This phrase is used to express an ongoing effort or intention. Examples. I'm trying to learn Spanish. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to find a new job, but it's been challenging. I'm trying to quit smoking, but it's difficult. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, I'm going to. This phrase is used to express future intention. Examples. I'm going to the beach tomorrow. I'm going to eat dinner at that new restaurant. I'm going to study hard so that I can get into my dream university. I'm going to save money for a vacation, even though it will take a while. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning tips and lessons. See you in the next one.